Chicken.
Horse.
Horse.
Sheep.
Sheep. Can you see the words? Can you see the words? Chicken. These are chickens. This is a rooster. Rooster. Look. Rooster. Okay. Chickens. Okay. Rooster. Horse. Sheep. Very good. Chickens. Okay. What's that?
Dog.
Goats.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Pig. Okay. These are creepy crawlers. They're crawling. You know what's crawling? Like this.
Marrow.
Crawling. They're all crawling. Okay. They're all insects. I know. Some are not. What's that? Snail. Again, snail.
Nail.
Yellow
Yellow.
beetle.
Beetle.
Again, yellow beetle. Again, yellow beetle.
Yellow.
Beetle.
One.
Yellow
Yellow.
beetle. Beetle. Okay. What's that?
M.
Oh, praying. Okay, pray. Wait. Praying mantis. Mantis. Praying mantis. Again. Praying. Mantis. Mantis. Do I have a pen here? I have a pen. This is a beetle. Beetle. Okay. No, don't write there. What's this?
Beetle.
What's this?
Bee.
Bee. Very good. Bee. Again. Bee. What's
Puppet.
this? What's this?
Daddy.
No, it's not spider. Walking stick.
Day.
Walking stick. See? It's like a stick. What's this?
S.
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 Spider. Again, spider. What's this? Rhino beetle. Looks like a rhino because of the horn. Rhino beetle. Again. Rhino beetle. Again. Rhino. Again. Rhino. Again. Rhino beetle. 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 Okay. The next page. These are colorful creatures. Colorful creatures. Again. Colorful creatures. Creatures. Say it. Creatures. Very good. Okay. What's this? Look. Bird. Yeah, it's a bird. The name of the bird is parrot. Yeah, it's a bird. Yeah, parrot. The name of the bird is parrot. Parrot. Okay, very good. Next one. Butterfly. Can you say? Butterfly. Spell butterfly. 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 What's this? What's this? Turtle. Again. Turtle. Again. Turtle. Turtle. What's this? Geckos. Gecko. Gecko. Very good. Gecko. Gerbil. Gerbil. Again.
Beetle.
Gerbil. Lizard. Lizard. Again, look. Lizard. What's this? What's this?
Puppy.
Puppy. Very good.
Snake.
Snake. Snake.
Snake.
Snake. Very good. Wait, huh?